Welcome to our channel. How to make milky style pearl milk tea at home. Craving a refreshing and indulgent drink? Follow these simple steps to create a creamy and delightful milky pearl milk tea right in your kitchen. Simple steps to make creamy pearl milk tea. 1. Add pearls. Place the boba and tapioca pearls into a cup. 2. Mix condensed milk and syrup. Pour in the condensed milk and syrup. 3. Add ice. Add ice cubes to the cup. 4. Pour brewed tea. Carefully pour the brewed tea over the ice. 5. Add milk foam. Top with milk foam. Optional. 6. Garnish. Add any decorations or toppings you like. Perfect for any occasion. This sample recipe combines the rich flavors of chocolate with the aromatic taste of oolong tea. Ingredients you'll need: 45-gram chocolate popping boba, 150 ml fresh milk, 1 piece condensed milk, 1 piece hazelnut syrup, 25 ice cubes, 250 ml high-aroma oolong tea, 70 ml milk foam, optional. Cocoa powder and yogurt balls for garnish, optional. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the pearls. Start by adding 45-gram of chocolate popping boba into your serving cup. The popping boba adds a fun, burst-in-your-mouth texture that enhances the overall experience. 2. Mix the base. Pour in the fresh milk and a generous amount of condensed milk to achieve that creamy texture. Add a splash of hazelnut syrup for a nutty sweetness that complements the chocolate flavor perfectly. 3. Add ice. To keep your drink refreshingly cool, add about 25 ice cubes. This not only chills the tea but also ensures a balanced blend of all ingredients. 4. Brew the tea. Carefully pour 200 ml to 250 ml of high-aroma oolong tea over the ice. The oolong tea provides a fragrant base that harmonizes with the sweetness of the other ingredients. 5. Top with milk foam. For an extra layer of indulgence, add a dollop of milk foam on top. This step is optional, but highly recommended for a luxurious finish. 6. Garnish. Finally, sprinkle some cocoa powder on top for added flavor and visual appeal. These toppings not only enhance the taste, but also make your drink Instagram-worthy. Enjoy your homemade chocolate pearl milk tea, a perfect blend of creaminess and flavor that will satisfy your taste buds and impress your friends. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and tips. If you're looking to purchase pearl milk tea and related products, visit our website at www.AdmirinGazeLand.com.